The name of the lesson, first lesson is Accounts from Incomplete Records. Listen, the name itself shows accounts from incomplete records. What do you mean by accounts from incomplete records? When accounting records are not strictly maintained according to double entry system are called accounts from incomplete records. We know that usually we will use only double entry system that we already studied in plus 1. Double entry system is universally accepted system because it is scientific, it is correct system. But here this is accounts from incomplete records. The complete records, otherwise known as double entry system, will follow all the business lines in the world, all over the world. But this accounts from incomplete records will use only the small traders. Okay, small traders only can use this type of accountants. Okay, why these peoples and big industries will follow the accounting system? To know the profit or loss for their business. Okay, pupils will follow the double entry system means they can follow the final accounts, trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. But these peoples will follow only the incomplete records means so they don't have final accounts like trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Okay. However, they have to find out the profit or loss. How? For that, they have to follow two systems to know the profit or loss. System number 1. Statement of affairs method. And another one is conversion method. Under these two methods, the small traders can find out the profit or loss and the incomplete records. Now I will teach you how to find out the profit or loss under statement of affairs method. Okay, statement of affairs method. In this method, we need 4 details to know the profit or loss. What are they? Opening capital, closing capital, additional capital, and drawings. Okay, opening capital, closing capital, additional capital, and drawings. We need 4 items to find out the profit or loss under single entry system. Okay, so there is a format also to find out the profit or loss under statement of affairs method. So I will teach you how to find out the profit or loss under statement of affairs method. First I will teach you the format. Based on the format we will do the sums. Format. Statement of profit or loss. To prepare the statement of profit or loss, we need 2 columns. The one column is particulars and another column is amount in rupees. This report we can prepare in accounting sheet in the single page only, no need double sheet. Okay, so we can prepare the statement of profit or loss in single cell. So for that we have to make 2 columns. One column is the particular column and another column is the amount column. So with the help of 4 details we can find out the profit or loss for those who are following the single entry system. The first item is capital at the end. Otherwise it is known as closing capital. Both are same. Capital at the end or closing capital, both are same. So capital at the end. And drawings. What do you mean by drawings? Proprietor can take some amount from his business for his personal use is called drawings. So drawings is some amount. From capital at the end we have to add the drawings, we will get one amount. That is this. From this we have to deduct the additional capital. Okay, So we have to deduct the additional capital. We'll get one amount. That amount is called adjusted closing capital. Why it is called adjusted closing capital? Because from the capital at the end, that is closing capital, we are adjusting two amounts. One is drawings and another one is additional capital. That is why it is called adjusted closing capital. From the adjusted closing capital, we have to deduct the opening capital. Opening capital or capital at the beginning. Both are same. Okay. So that is one amount. So we will get one result. That result may be plus or minus. When it will be plus, if the adjusted closing capital is more than the opening capital, your result will be plus. It means profit. If the adjusted closing capital is less than the opening capital, the result will be minus. It means loss for the business. Okay, so it means if the result is plus, it is profit. Suppose if the result is minus, it is loss. So this is the format of statement of profit or loss. Okay, I will do the sums based on this format. Okay, take illustration 1, page number 6. Listen, question number is illustration 1 and page number 6. Illustration 1, page number 6. I'll read the question now. From the following particulars, ascertain profit or loss. Okay, he has given some details. With these details, we have to find out profit or loss for those who are following the single entry system. And one more thing, the incomplete records is otherwise known as single entry system. Both are same. Single entry system or incomplete records, both are same. Okay, now he has given some details. Capital at the beginning. Capital at the beginning for the year 1st April 2016. You know already, 1st April is always opening. So he has given opening capital rupees 2 lakhs. And capital at the end as on 31st March 2017, that is 3,50,000, that is closing capital. Okay, opening capital is 1st April, closing capital is 31st March. Okay, next additional capital or introduced capital is rupees 70,000 and drawings during the year rupees 40,000. With the help of these details, we have to find out profit or loss. Okay, for that we have to use that format what we have already seen. Okay. Now the sum is illustration 1, page number 6. Answer is statement of profit or loss. I already told you to prepare this statement, we need a single page in accountancy sheet. Okay. This is the title or heading, statement of profit or loss. For that we have to make two columns. One column is particular column and another column is amount in rupees. Okay, now what he has given? Capital at the beginning, capital at the end, additional capital and the drawings. Based on the format, what is the first item? Closing capital. Okay, closing capital. What is the closing capital? Here capital at the end is nothing but closing capital, rupees 3,50,000. So put here 3,50,000. This is the closing capital or capital at the end. Both are same. Capital at the end, closing capital, both are same. Okay. Next, we have to add with closing capital drawings. What about drawings? We have to add drawings. How much he has given the drawings? Drawings during the year rupees 40,000. So we have to add 40,000 with closing capital 3,50,000. So we will get 3,90,000. because we are adding no. So from 3,90,000 we have to deduct the additional capital. Okay, additional capital or introduced capital. Additional capital. How much additional capital he has given? Rupees 70,000. 70,000. So from 3,90,000 we deduct 70,000, we get 3,20,000. So this amount is called adjusted closing capital. Adjusted closing capital. From the adjusted closing capital, we have to deduct the opening capital. Less opening capital or capital at the beginning. Both are same. Capital at the beginning or opening capital, both are same. What is the opening capital? Opening capital here. So the adjusted closing capital is rupees 3,20,000. From this we have to deduct the opening capital. What is the opening capital value? Capital at the beginning is rupees 2 lakhs rupees. So we have to deduct the 2 lakhs rupees. So from 3,20,000 we have to deduct rupees 2 lakhs. We will get result is plus. That is 1,20,000. This 1,20,000 is called profit during the year. Profit during the year. Okay. Now let us go to the example 2. Example 2. Illustration 2. From the following particulars ascertain profit or loss. Okay, page number 7, illustration 2. Okay, here the opening capital as on 1st April 2018 is rupees 1,60,000. Closing capital as on 31st March 2019 is rupees 1,50,000. Additional capital introduced during the year rupees 25,000 and drawings made during the year rupees 30,000. With the help of 4 details we have to find out statement of profit or loss. Now the solution is statement of profit or loss. Okay, statement of profit or loss. So we have to make 2 columns. One column is for particulars and another column for amount in rupees. Okay. As per the format, the first item is closing capital. Closing capital. What is the value of closing capital? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. From this we have to add drawings. What is the value of drawings? Drawings is 30,000 rupees. 30,000. So we have to add 1,50,000 with 130,000. You get 1,80,000. From 1,80,000 we have to deduct the additional capital or introduced capital. Additional capital or introduced capital. So here the additional or introduced capital is rupees 25,000. 25. From 1,80,000 we must deduct rupees 25,000 as additional capital. We will get 1,55,000. Okay, this 1,55,000 is adjusted from closing capital. That is why it is called adjusted closing capital. Adjusted closing capital. From adjusted closing capital we have to deduct the opening capital. Opening capital. What is the opening capital value? Capital as of 1/4 is 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Here, see, in previous sum, adjusted closing capital was more. opening capital was less. That's what we get profit. Here the adjusted closing capital is less. Opening capital is more. Definitely our result will be minus. So definitely we will get the loss. So here 1,60,000 minus 1,55,000 we get 5,000 rupees. This 5,000 rupees is called loss during the year. Loss during the year. Okay. Now we have seen two examples. One example is for profit and another example for loss. Now let us continue the same type of sum with missing figure. It means usually to find out the profit or loss, we need four items. What are they? Opening capital, closing capital, additional capital and drawings. Okay, with the help of these four details only we can find out the profit or loss for those who are following the single entry system. Okay, here the same sum they will give as missing figure. What do you mean by missing figure? Means out of the four items they will give only three items. Instead of the missing item they will give either profit or loss. Okay, so anyhow we will get four items. Listen. They will ask missing figure as opening capital or closing capital or additional capital or drawings. Okay, out of four items they will list out one item. Okay, they asked us to find out the missing item, but we need four items. So for the fourth item they will give either profit or loss. Okay, with the help of that four items now we are going to find out the missing item. That is called the calculation of missing figure. Same format only, but the item is, the sum is called what? Missing item. Okay. Yes. Come to the illustration 3, page number 7. Now let us see example 3 or illustration 3, page number 7. Here, from the following details, calculate the missing figure. Okay. Okay. Let us see what are the details he has given. He has given closing capital, rupees 1,90,000. Additional capital rupees 50,000, drawings rupees 30,000, opening capital he has given question mark. It means we have to find out. That is the missing figure. Okay, and instead of the opening capital, the fourth item is loss during the year. Okay, so we need four items. They have given the four items. What are they? Closing capital, additional capital, drawings, and loss they have given. With the help of these, we have to find out the missing figure. What is here missing figure? Opening capital is the missing figure. Okay. Now we have to use the same format only, same way only we have to calculate. Just the system of calculation is different. That's all. Let us see. Illustration 3, page number 7. Illustration 3, page number 7. Here we are going to calculate missing figure. So put calculation of missing figure. Calculation of missing figure. Okay. Anyhow, we are going to calculate the missing figure only, but format is same. What is the format? Name of the format? Statement of profit or loss. Same statement only we have to use. Statement of profit or loss. This is particulars. This is amount in rupees. As per the format, what is the first item? Closing capital. Here the closing capital is rupees 1,90,000. Closing capital rupees 1,90,000. What is the next item as per the format? Add drawings. So here the drawings amount is rupees 30,000. So add drawings rupees 30,000. With 1,90,000 we have to add 30,000. We will get 2,20,000. From this, what we have to deduct? Open, adjust additional capital. So less additional capital or additional capital or introduced capital. Here the additional capital is rupees 50,000. 50. So from 2,20,000 we have to deduct 15,000, will get 1,70,000. This 1,70,000 is called what? Adjusted closing capital. From this we have to deduct the opening capital. But in this sum, opening capital is the missing figure. So we don't know the amount. Just we keep it as blank and put the underline after the blanket. Okay, what is the result in this sum? Here in the sum result is loss. You put loss. L-O-S-S, loss. Loss is rupees 40,000. See, if you want to find out the profit or loss, we have to start the sum from the beginning, that is from the top. But the missing figure, we have to start the sum from the bottom. Okay, listen, here loss is what? 40,000. We have to find out the opening capital, that is the missing figure. How to find out means very simple way. Loss is considered as minus, that we know that. Loss is considered as minus. Here loss is minus 40,000. Okay, if you want to add or if you want to subtract, we need one more item, no, for all the sums. So here 40,000 is there. So if you want to add or if you want to subtract, we need one more item. What is the one more item? Means the next item is available 1,70,000. See, here the 1,70,000 shows plus. Am I correct? So what we have to do, the second item, we are choosing, the first item is loss, no. What is the second item you are taking? 1,70,000. If it is plus, we assumed as minus. If it is minus, we assumed as plus. Understood or not? Listen, loss is minus. That we know that. Minus 40,000. For adding or subtracting, we need one more amount. What is the next amount here available? 1,70,000. 1,70,000 shows plus. So we consider as minus. Suppose this minus, it shows minus means we consider as plus. That is the rule to find out the missing figure. Okay, what is the adjusted closing capital? 1,70,000. Understood or not? Okay, now both are minus. In addition, both are minus means minus and minus become minus only. So minus 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 40,000 plus 1,70,000 will get 2,10,000. So this is the value of missing figure 2,10,000 for opening capital. Now you just check your answer. From 1,70,000 you deduct 2,10,000, you will get 40,000 as loss. This is the way we have to find out the missing figure for all the sums. Okay, thank you. Okay students, let us go illustration for page number 8. Illustration 4, page number is 8. Here, what they ask? From the following details, calculate capital on 31st December 2018. It means they are asking closing capital. Okay, they are asking closing capital. Please watch carefully. Very important, sir. This is 2 marks. Okay, now we have to find out the missing figure of closing capital. Okay, what are the details he has given? Capital as on 1st January 2018. It means opening capital he has given. Then goods taken for the personal use for the proprietor. It is nothing but drawings. Proprietor, he has taken some goods for his personal use. It is nothing but drawings. Okay, so drawings amount is rupees 5,000 and additional capital rupees 2,500. And in this sum they have given profit. What is the profit value? Rupees 10,000. So with the help of 4 details we have to find out the closing capital. Now let us calculate the calculation of missing figure. What is the name of the format? Statement of profit or loss. Statement of profit or loss. So we need 2 columns. One column is for particulars and another column for amount in rupees. As per the format, the first item is closing capital, but that is the missing figure. Okay, closing capital. We don't know the closing capital, so keep it as blank. What is the next item as per the format? Add drawings. Add drawings. So the value of drawings he has given here. Goods taken for the personal use, rupees 5,000. So 5,000. So we don't know the closing capital, that is a blank. Here the drawings amount is 5,000. So we have to add, but we don't know the value of closing capital. So definitely this is also blank. Okay, what is the next item? As per the format, we have to deduct this item. From this item, we have to deduct the additional capital. Here the additional capital is rupees 2,500. Additional capital or introduced capital. Additional capital or introduced capital, both are same. Here the additional capital is rupees 2,500. As per the format, after deducting the additional capital, we will get one amount that is also blank because we don't know the open closing capital. So we will get all or blank only. That is why this is also blank. So this blank amount is called what? Adjusted closing capital. Adjusted closing capital. From this we have to deduct the opening capital. Here the opening capital value has given 27,500 less opening capital 27,500. In the sum they have given the profit. What is the value of profit? Rupees 10,000. Profit rupees 10,000. Okay. I already told you to calculate the missing figure, we have to start the sum from the bottom. That is the rule. Okay. Here the bottom, what is the value is getting? Profit. Profit is considered as plus. That we know already. Okay. So here profit is plus 10,000. Okay. To add or to subtract, we need one more item. No, that is the next item is 27,500. You please see the 27,500 carries minus. So we have to change it as plus. Plus 27,500. Once again I tell you, here the profit is plus 10,000. To add or subtract, we need one more item. That one more item is the next item only you have to take. Okay, you should not take here or here. You have to take the next item. Okay, here next item is 27,500. It carries minus, so we have to change it as plus. So already plus 10,000 plus 27,500 will get rupees 37,500. That is the adjusted closing capital. 37,500. Understood? Okay. Now we got the answer as 13,500 as adjusted closing capital. But we need closing capital. To know the closing capital, we have to come across another two items. So here we got adjusted closing capital is 37,500. What is the next amount? 2,500. You please see the sign of 2,500 minus. We have to change it as plus. So plus 2,500. What you will get? 37,500 plus 2,500 will get 40,000 rupees. That is the blank item rupees 40,000. Okay. Now we got 40,000. That is plus 20. What is the next item here available? Drawings. Drawings shows what? Minus plus. So we have to change it as minus. So minus 5,000. Okay, from 40,000 plus 40,000 we deduct minus 5,000. What you will get? Plus 35,000. That is the missing figure of closing capital. Correct. Now we can check our answer also. Closing capital 35,000. Drawings 5,000. 35 plus 5, 40,000. From 40,000 we deduct the additional capital 2,500. What will you get? 37,500. From 37,500 adjusted closing capital, we deduct the opening capital 27,500. 37,500 minus 27,500. Our answer is plus 10,000. That is profit. Our answer is correct. You understood or not? Okay. Thank you. Dear students, now we have completed 4 examples. With the help of 4 examples, you can do exercise sums also. Listen here, the easiness he has given, whatever the examples he has given, the same type only exercise. That is very easy to do. Okay, first we did example 1 now. Exercise 1 also same model only, just amount is different and name is different. So very easy you can do. Okay, now I have given 4, I have teach 4 sums now. Based on that I will give from the exercise, please note it down. Page number 31. Textbook page number 31. Question numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is Roman letter. Now question number Roman letter 4 from the exercise. Okay, textbook page number 31. Question number Roman letter 4. From Roman letter 4 questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to do as a homework from our school materials only. I think already they have issued the text notebooks from our schools. So you please take any one of the accounts notebook. From that note only you have to do the classwork and you have to submit all the completed sums. Okay, all the sums you have to complete and you have to submit our school on Wednesday, that is 12/8/2020, Wednesday, before. Listen my dear students, you have to complete your homeworks with our school materials only. You have to take one accountancy notebook which we have issued from our school. So you have to complete question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which is available in the page number 31 and page number 32 Roman letter 4. Okay, all the completed sums you have to submit to our school on 12th August of 2020 Wednesday before 12 noon. Okay, thank you. 10 o'clock. Before